What's going on? Garrett here from my10ksystem.com. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact formula I used to generate over $2,000 yesterday with affiliate marketing, working only an hour a day. Now, this formula is very simple, and even if you're brand new, you'll be able to follow this. Now, you can see that I'm logged into my Stripe account right now, and that yesterday in this one account, I made $2,025. Now, if I go and refresh, you're gonna be able to see that this number stays the same, okay? And yesterday, I was able to generate this amount of income. Now, a lot of people who want to earn good income online struggle with confusion and info overload. They don't know what they actually need to focus on to start to generate income online. I'm going to share with you in this video my formula step by step. So by the end of the video, you can finally go out there and make money even as soon as this week. But before we continue, if you're new to the channel, I provide easy step-by-step affiliate marketing training on how to get traffic, leads, and sales online. If you'd like to subscribe and get notified of new videos every single week, press the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell, and you'll be alerted of new videos every week. Also, I've been making money online full-time for over 5 years now. If you'd like to watch a free video breaking down the easiest system I've found to make affiliate commissions online, click the first link in the description to get instant access. Now, without further ado, let me dive in right now. Now, I have an online whiteboard open on my computer, and I want to break this down very, very simply, okay? There's really just 4 steps in this incredibly easy formula, and I'm going to start with step 1 right now. So the very first step that I took to generate over $2,000 that you need to take is you have to get traffic. Okay, now what exactly is traffic? If you're brand new, you've never made money online before, traffic is simply getting people, eyeballs, okay, to go to a website. So we need traffic. We need continuous new people to actually go to our website. And the website is going to have more information on an affiliate product that they may want to buy. And when they buy, that's how we're actually going to be able to make money. Now, if you don't have a website, you don't know where to get traffic and things like that, not to worry. Again, that free video at the link under this video is going to share with you how you can actually get access to a done-for-you website and actually be able to implement all these steps incredibly easy in a matter of minutes. But with traffic, the real key is you want to pick just 1 to 2 main sources. You know, a lot of people that I coach, that I work with, they basically are, info overload. They're overwhelmed. One guru says you have to do Facebook one day, and then the next day someone else says never do Facebook, you have to do Twitter, and you're left in this conveyor belt, this hamster wheel of confusion. What you want to realize is every traffic source can work, okay? Because there's millions of people on, Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram. There's millions of people online. So, a lot of people, they ask me, Garrett, what's the best traffic source? Again, really it comes down to, do you have a paid advertising budget, right? Do you have some extra money, not a lot of time? Well, then maybe start with paid advertising. Do you have a lot of time and not a lot of money? Well, maybe start with some free traffic, okay? Now, diving, even deeper, how do you choose, okay? Do you go with Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest if you want to do free traffic, for example? Well, I always say to people, what source, what traffic site, if you will, are you already on a lot? Like for me, I'm not really on Facebook a lot. Personally, I don't really like the platform. I've never really cared for Facebook that much. I was always watching YouTube videos. So for me, it makes sense. Let me just create YouTube videos. I'm already on YouTube. Maybe for you, you're on Instagram looking at photos a lot. Well, start with Instagram. Start to learn how to get traffic on Instagram. Now, on my channel, I have deeper dives onto these different platforms, how to get traffic from Facebook. I've used it in the past. It's definitely not one of my favorite sources, just, with my personality, but I know how to do it and I teach it. Twitter, okay, Instagram, I have training on my channel, solo ads, okay, so you can learn more, but you want to pick just 1 or 2. Now, once we get traffic, another big mistake people make, and I used to make online doing affiliate marketing, is they take that traffic and they send it right to an affiliate sales page, right to a website that's designed to sell people and get them to buy. The problem is that most people do not buy instantly, okay? Think about yourself. When you see an offer online, I mean, do you just instantly buy? Probably not. Probably you go to YouTube, you look up different blog posts, you start to research, and that could take up to 7-10 days for someone to make a buying decision. So instead, we want to send people to an email capture page. Okay, so this is what it looks like, this headline with an email box. Okay, this is actually an example right here. Now we want to send people to this page before the affiliate sales page, because once someone puts their email in, now we can start to follow up with them, those 7 to 10 exposures that it may take before they make a buying decision. So we want to send people to a link or a website like this. Okay, this is a capture page. Now, once they put their email in, step 3 is now we actually send them to the affiliate sales video. Okay, so again, you may have an affiliate offer already. Maybe you are promoting something on ClickBank or JVZoo. Well, now after the capture page, we want to redirect them. Okay, now a sales page rather usually has a sales video and a button to buy. Okay, now I actually have an example here, and this is an example of a sales page. Okay, so it has a video here. If someone clicks play, they'll start learning about a product that they may want to potentially buy. And after a certain period of time, they can click this button and start to go through the process to purchase. Okay, now this is, again, the exact process that I'm using in about an hour a day, because once you start to learn how to get traffic, it doesn't take that long to make a post on Facebook, to make a tweet on Twitter. So you can get this down very quickly and just get people to a affiliate sales video. Okay, now you want to make sure that the affiliate sales page is a very high converting product. Now there's different ways to tell this. I have another video on how to choose a ClickBank product to promote, where I break down how to find a high converting product on ClickBank. Again, the link below shares with you a very high converting affiliate system, but that's the next step. Now, step 4 is once, okay, we've captured their email, and that's what this site does. When they put their email in, we actually get to capture that email. Now what we want to do is, after they see this page, again, a lot of people aren't going to buy, and it could take 1 to 2 people out of 100 that actually buy. Okay, so you want to understand these numbers, because a lot of people, they struggle. They say, Garrett, I've generated 40 leads. Where's the sales? Well, it could take up to 100 leads, which, again, don't freak out. With a lot of the methods I share on my channel, you can get up to 100 leads in a single day. Okay, I shared how to use solo ads, which is a form of paid advertising, to generate up to 200 leads in a single run. So again, don't worry about that. It's very simple, but you want to understand these numbers. Now, again, once they put their email in here, they're going to get added to an email autoresponder. You want to use a tool called an email autoresponder that hooks up to a page like this. And now what we can do is we can follow up through automated emails. Okay, you can see right here that what happens is, when they put their email in, they get redirected to the sales page, but they also get added to your email list. Okay, now this is a list of emails. Now what happens is, you can actually set up automated emails that will start going out one day at a time, and I'll share in a second what that looks like. And what this email includes is a link to the affiliate sales page, as you can see right here. So we send these emails to these lists of people that put their email in here back to the sales video until they get those 7 to 10 exposures and they make a buying decision. Okay, that's really the formula. So let me share with you how to find an email autoresponder if you want to set this up yourself. If you don't want to do the done for you route, which you can find out more information at the link below, you can use a site called GetResponse. Now there's many different email autoresponder services where we can collect people's email addresses and follow up through email. I'm actually using GetResponse. There's going to be a link directly below this video where you can actually create an account and try it out, 30 days free. Okay, once we create an account, what you can do is you can create a list. Okay, now these lists are basically different lists that hook up to your capture page, and you can see right here that in this one list I have 2,600 people. Well, what happens is, once they get added to this list, There's automated emails that I've created that start going out one day at a time, following up with that person. Okay, so day 0, which is the day they put their email into this page, they're going to get this email. Day 1, okay, the next day is this email. Day 2, day 3, and what these do is they just send people back to the affiliate sales page, and people will eventually buy, and that's how I'm able to generate this amount of money. Okay, it's really, really simple. So the last thing I want to share with you are what are the tools you need. Again, if you want to do this yourself, maybe you just want to build your own email list, or you're a little bit more advanced, or you have more drive and you want to just set this up yourself. What are the tools do you actually need? Number 1 is you need a good traffic source. Again, I broke down some of the traffic source examples. You need a capture page. Okay, I created this capture page using ClickFunnels. Again, there's going to be a link under the video if you want to create an account with ClickFunnels. I believe you get 30 days free as well. You can go ahead and use that. Also, a high converting affiliate sales video. Okay, you can find affiliate offers to promote that are high converting on ClickBank, JVZoo, and again at the link under this video. And then you need follow-up emails. Okay, and you can do that using a autoresponder service like GetResponse, and then you just write these emails, okay, and you can start to follow up with people to make sales. So I really hope you enjoyed seeing and learning the exact step-by-step formula I follow in about an hour a day to generate up to $2,000 or more in a single day. Now that you understand how this formula works, you still may be thinking though, I don't know how to create my own website, my capture page. What do I write on the actual headline and things like that? How do I find a good high converting product? Maybe you just want a product that for sure is converting, and maybe you don't want to have to write follow-up emails. You don't know what to put in the different emails. If you want to discover my #1 top recommended affiliate system that does all these steps for you, and it even supplies you with a very, very powerful traffic source built inside, be sure to click the first link under this description and watch that free video revealing more information. Also, if you'd like to receive alerts every single week of new videos, be sure to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss another video. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next training.